Here's how to bar lace Puma Rebounds so they slip on without the need for tying. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to bring each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side, from above, just like this. So pull that one through a bit, chuck it out the way, swap to the other one. We're just going to take that lace end down into that one from above as well. Pull it through. It can be a bit fiddly, but just take your time, there's no rush. Then before you pull all that through, take your lace ends together like this, grab your sneakers, just pull that through, and that'll just mean your lace ends will come out of equal length. If yours haven't, don't worry about it, just take a second to make sure they're equal before we carry on. Now, bar lacing can look kind of tricky, but it's actually not. It's quite simple if you just follow along slowly. So what we're going to do is keep a hold of this lace, we're going to skip the eyelet on this side here, and instead we're going to focus on this eyelet, so the third one up from the bottom. And we're going to take the lace end and we're going to bring it up into that eyelet from underneath like this. Looks good. Then we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into this eyelet on the other side, so the corresponding eyelet, to make a bar. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a hold of this lace on this side and fill in these two eyelets here. We're going to bring it up into the eyelet here from underneath. Just pull it through. Bring it over the sneaker tongue, and then we're going to go down into this eyelet from above to make another bar, just like so. Now, if you need to play this video on a half speed or pause as much as you need, go ahead. There's no rush, just go at your own pace. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace, and we're just going to feed it underneath this bar here, just so it's got some range of movement. And we're going to repeat that pattern. We're going to skip that next eyelet and instead go up through the one above that from underneath, pull it through, looking good, bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on this side from above like that, looking good. Swap to the other lace and we're going to fill in these two empty eyelets. So bring that one up from underneath like that, bring it over and down into that empty eyelet to fill it in there. And make another bar. Looking good. Then take a hold of this lace, move it underneath that bar, just so it has room to move. Now what we're going to do is we're not going to fill in the top eyelets because we want the logo to show. And instead we're just going to bring these two laces together and we're going to tie them in quite a loose little bow like this. Then we're going to take that bow and the laces and just slip it down inside the sneaker, behind the sneaker tongue. And that bow and laces will just sit on top of your foot. It won't bother your foot at all. They're very soft. And it'll mean that you'll just be able to slip your feet in and out each time you wear them. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of bar lace Puma Rebounds. If you found the info in this video helpful, hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available for you guys. Thanks.